Hello friends, welcome back. I am CA Rehman Bhamani and from today we are going to start basics of stock market and this is the first episode. Friends, you must have heard of PE ratio many a times, but many of us don't know what is PE ratio. So in this video I'll try to explain you what is PE ratio and at the end we will also check some real life examples of PE ratio. So do watch the video till the end. Let us begin with an example. Let us assume that there is a local bakery in your neighborhood which is earning rupees 1 lakh per annum, and because of some reason the owner want to sell the business. So what do you think? If this business is available to you, what price you will pay? Let's say if the owner asks for 5 lakhs, is it cheap for you or is it costly for you? How will you decide? So here comes our PE ratio. So P stands for price and E stands for earning. In our example, the price is 5 lakh rupees. The price of the whole business is 5 lakh. And the earning per year is 1 lakh. So 5 lakh divided by 1 lakh will give you 5, which is the PE ratio. So PE ratio basically tells you in how many years you can recover your cost. So in our example, if you buy this business for 5 lakh and if the company or if this bakery continues to earn 1 lakh rupees every year, it will take you 5 years just to recover your cost. In future, it may happen that the sales in the bakery may increase and you will earn lot more than this. Now let us check some real life examples. Friends, we are on investing.com and I am not promoting this website. This is freely available. You can use any other website wherever you can get the PE ratio. So first we'll check the PE ratio of Reliance Industries. It is 26.38. So in this case, if the earning continues to be same, it will take you 26 years to recover your cost. Going to our next example, Adani Enterprises. The PE ratio of Adani Enterprise is 157. Yes friends, it is 157. So if the company continues to earn the same rate of income which it is earning right now, it will take you 157 years just to recover your cost. Let us see one more example. So here we are checking off Adani Green Energy. The PE ratio is 878. Friends, some of you must be laughing that 800 years just to recover the cost. But this is what we can see with the PE ratio. If the company continues to earn the same earning which it is earning right now, it will take 878 years to recover the cost. Friends, this may change as the company continues to grow and earn higher and higher. That's why some companies' PE ratio is justifiable because the business is growing at such a fast pace. But this is very tricky to analyze. So you don't just have to check only the PE ratio to buy some share. You have to check other parameters also, which I will be covering in some other video. Let us also check some foreign shares. Let's say of Amazon.com. The PE ratio is 61. If the company continues to earn same amount of earnings every year, it will take 61 years just to recover the cost. Whereas Tesla, you all must be aware of Elon Musk, his company Tesla, the PE ratio is 582. So it is not just that in India only the PE ratios are very high. In foreign markets also there are some companies whose PE ratio are very high. So friends, as I told you, you should not take the decision just based on PE ratio. You have to check another parameters also, which I will be covering in the coming videos. Friends, do comment in the comment section your favorite company's PE ratio, and if you learned something new from this video, do hit the like button, share it with your family and friends so that they will also learn something new about the share market. And if you have not yet subscribed, do subscribe to my channel. And friends, stay healthy, stay safe. Thank you.